I think someone's at the door.
Well, hello guys. I'm pretty sure I owe you guys an apartment tour, so welcome to my apartment. So yeah, welcome to my apartment. I've been living here for 5 years and I definitely owe you guys an apartment tour. I'm glad I kind of waited 5 years to do it though, because 5 years ago, my apartment didn't look like this, okay? So my biggest tip is to take your time. Maybe not 5 years, but definitely take your time. I wanna start here with the entryway. This is my entryway. This is how you walk into my apartment. To my left, I keep all of my coats. Anybody who comes in, they drop their coats here. Keys. I have the hook from Target, and I also keep shoes down here. There's no shoes allowed in my apartment, okay? No shoes. To the left of the entryway is my kitchen. It's small but mighty, and it does what I need it to do. So this is my kitchen. It's pretty much an apartment-sized kitchen, but it comes with everything I need. Refrigerator, dishwasher, all the appliances. They are GE. I don't know. I didn't buy them, but all the appliances already come with it. If you've been watching my channel, you know that I'm more of a minimalist and I don't really like clutter. So I don't keep a lot of stuff out on my cabinets because I don't have enough counter space, and I also don't like clutter. Over here is my coffee bar station. I've already done a full video and full tour of my coffee bar station. I keep the Breville Barista Express up here. She was pricey, but she was worth it because now I'm saving coins from Starbucks. So I did a little DIY kind of with my syrup bottles. So I will link that video either up here or down here. You know where to find it. Also on my countertop, she is a big one, okay? She's a KitchenAid. Obviously she can't fit anywhere else. She's displayed up here in the corner. I really love baking, so, and she matches my aesthetic. She's white and chrome. She already fits the vibe. I am super big into home automations. Make sure you stay tuned or subscribe to my channel because I'm going to do a whole video on every piece of smart home tech that I keep in my apartment. I've done a lot, okay? I have 4 A's and she's one of them. And I only live in a 1-bedroom apartment and I have 4. Let that sink in. So this is the Echo Show 5. I like her because she has a screen on her. And when you're in the kitchen, it's best for watching YouTube videos and looking at recipes. And she also has a really good speaker on her. If you haven't seen my pantry tour, be sure to check that out. Here's a sneak peek, but the best thing is all the cabinets are soft close. So that's good for me and my neighbors. Stove and microwave over here. This came with the apartment, but I do keep my olive oil, vegetable oil up on the countertop. These are from HomeGoods. I have a spice rack that I picked up from Bed Bath & Beyond a while ago. I keep a nice block over here. This was a gift, so I don't know exactly where it's from. Paper towel roll, probably got this from HomeGoods. I don't know, it's been years. And over here on my sink, I keep the essentials. Dish soap, hand soap, and a scrub brush. Everything here is from either HomeGoods or TJ Maxx. It's pretty consistent with what a lot of people keep in their kitchen. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't really have too much decor over here, but that's pretty much the kitchen. All right, so I'm gonna take you guys into the living room. Okay, so over here, this would be, I guess, considered the dining area. I don't have a reason to dine other than right here. So this is the breakfast bar. Some things that you don't think to change out, you should. I've changed out my lights that sit over the breakfast bar because you should. The lights are from Target. I'll also show you guys some of the other things that I've switched out in the apartment that you wouldn't normally think to switch out, but they make a huge difference in an apartment. The chairs that I got are from Wayfair. One thing I love to do is kind of like tie in similar pieces of furniture throughout an entire space. I don't like using the same furniture in one space, but if I spread it out, it makes the room look cohesive. So that's one thing. You'll see that these chairs match my coffee table in there, but they're in the kitchen. And I keep a little basket over here that keeps my blankets. I use blankets in here a lot. Over here is my bar. I want to do a bar tour soon, but this is the bar. It's pretty much your standard bar. I have all the equipment that you need for a bar, shaker, bottle openers, strainer, etc. This is from Target. This mirror is also from Target. Tried to accent on the gold a little bit. This cheers mat, because you know, I don't like spilling things on the cabinet. This is from Target, the dollar spot. If you know me, you know I love the dollar spot. I also have this wine rack here. This is from Pier 1, rest in peace, Pier 1. Sorry, can't link her. I also keep an ice bucket, my liquor, tonic waters, and some more gold accent cups up here. I will do another full tour of like the bar, but this is pretty much the basics. So this is my living room space. I must say it's gone through the biggest transformation. When I moved in here 5 years ago, I had no idea what I was doing or how to decorate. But now I've kind of come into my own and I love how I've styled everything. Also, I still don't like colors. So over here I keep Bentley's pet station. He loves this tent. He's obsessed with this tent. He's always here. If he's not here, then he's underneath the couch. The tent is from Walmart. I'll be sure to link her below. Over here is my living room. So if I could do it over again, I would. This couch, again, 5 years of mistakes. When I first moved in, I kind of just rushed and picked whatever I could. But also online shopping 5 years ago wasn't what it is today. This couch is from Raymour & Flanigan. She is held up very well. I sleep all over this couch. I lay on this couch. I watch TV on this couch. And she hasn't sunken in or anything. So she's good quality. She's just not my style. So if I could have done it all over again, I would have. The paintings, pro tip, if you don't want to spend money on frames because they're expensive, these frames are from IKEA. They have plexiglass, so they're not real glass, and they're also lighter and easier to hang up on the wall. So the frames are from IKEA. The prints, I kind of scoured the internet and found. The prints I found and just kind of wanted to tie in the color palette that I have in my living room. I blew them up and I printed them from Walmart. Back to the couch. Well, the biggest pillows are from Woven Nook. It's an online store that I found on Instagram. I really like their pillows. This pillow is from Woven Nook, and this pillow as well is from Woven Nook. The other two I think are from Target and Amazon. Over here I have this floor lamp. This is from Target. I have a lot of gold accents within my apartment. Again, another A. Like I said, now that's 2. I like her because she can control everything else in this side of the house. I've gotten some questions about the coffee table. This coffee table is from Wayfair, and you'll notice that the wood is very similar to the wood on the stools in the kitchen area. I'm a real sucker for coffee table books. So I have the 80 book. When I tell you, I snagged this on sale. I think she was like $55 or something like that off TJ Maxx. Keep your eye out, TJ Maxx. I also keep the Vogue book up here, as well as a candle. The Vogue book I think I got from HomeGoods. The candle is from Target. Long matches, very chic. The lantern I think is from Target. The candles inside are from IKEA. Over here, you'll notice that I keep a carpet on the floor. People look at me and they think I'm crazy for keeping light carpet, and I have a dog. It's held up pretty well, so I really can't complain about it. It wasn't that expensive either. I got it off of Wayfair. This little poof, this poof is from IKEA. You're supposed to use it to sit on it, but I'm 30 years old now. Ain't nobody getting down there. Over here is my chair from Target. This is from the Studio McGee collection. I mentioned this before about the quality of the chair. It's not the greatest, but she was cute. So I love how she pulled in the carpet color and the black iron, so it kind of tied in the space together. The pillow, again, from Amazon. Back here are my shelves that I got from Amazon. I've already done a whole shelf styling video, so be sure to check that video out as well. I mean, I just have a plethora of videos for you guys to check out while you're here. So everything on there I've already listed in another video about where I purchased everything, but as far as the shelves themselves, they're from Amazon. And the lights up top are from Home Depot, because I couldn't find them on Amazon, but I got them off homedepot.com. And they add a nice little accent light over the bookcases at night. I love them. Back here is my TV. People actually wonder if this came with the apartment. It did not. This floating cabinet is from IKEA. It was very hard to put up on the wall. I did a whole video about lighting. Lighting is so important in my space, and I keep accent lighting everywhere that I possibly can. So I have the Philips Hue light strip behind the TV as well as below the TV console. At night, it's just so pretty, so pretty. Again, smart home automation. I keep my smart remote here. This tall mirror over here is from IKEA. I picked it up 5 years ago. I love the size. It's huge and it wasn't too expensive from when I got it, I think 5 years ago. The only thing I wish is that it is either black or just black, and it's not, it's chrome. But you know, these are the decisions you make when you start moving into an apartment. Take your time, okay? Every piece of lighting that you see in here, I had to add, and this was one of them. I was really into like the geometric patterns at one point, but that light is from IKEA. The light bulb is a Philips Hue light bulb. And over here, I have my, actually, I'm gonna show you guys that in another video because I think this video was long enough. If you guys are interested in seeing my bedroom and my bathroom tour, get this video to 100 likes and I will definitely post that. My bedroom is on a whole nother vibe, okay? And if you guys have seen some of my other videos, you already have sneak peeks of what it looks like. But that is pretty much it, guys. This is my living room, kitchen, apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to check out my lighting video, my last video, and also check out my home and decor playlist. And that's pretty much it, guys. That is my living room and kitchen tour. I will catch you guys in my next one. Peace.